Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Chef, and today we're going to be cooking a spicy chorizo sausage pasta. It's a fantastic, nice little recipe that can be good on a cold day, or something that's just really nourishing that you can get a lot of high quality protein into your diet, but also get some healthy fats as well. So we're going to put it together with some fresh herbs and spices, and this recipe is not too long to take. It's going to take you about 15, 20, maybe half an hour to make full. So yeah, very easy recipe, easy for anybody who's starting out cooking, but with that being said, let's get to the ingredients and get the show on the road. So let's do this. Alright, so for this recipe, it's fairly simple. You'll just need half a pound of frozen shrimp. So all I did was put half a bag, about a 1 pound bag, into some cold water to let it unthaw. You'll need 1 to 2 spicy chorizo sausages. I got these at Farm Boy. You'll need about half to 3/4 of a package of organic brown rice pasta. You'll need some olive oil, some garlic, basil, salt, pepper, and chili powder for your spices. And last but not least, you'll need some organic, gluten-free marinara sauce. This one is not organic, but the ingredients are really good, and I got this from Costco. And all of the ingredients on this are whole food ingredients except the calcium chloride. But besides that, it's a pretty good choice for marinara, but I would highly recommend you get maybe a PC organic or any kind of organic marinara sauce that you like, and you can find it pretty much in any grocery store. Alright, so to start this recipe off, what you're going to need is 2 cloves of garlic here. After you get your 2 cloves of garlic, you're going to take a nice steel pan or a cast iron pan and put it on medium-high heat. Make sure there's a smoke coming to the oil. Now while your pan is heating up, you can take your garlic and start to mince it. Now to mince your garlic, you just take the flat end of the knife and you're going to press into the garlic. Once you press into the garlic, remove the skin and cut the top end and the bottom end. Once the ends are cut off, you can finely slice the onion lengthwise and then the opposite direction to have nice fine minced garlic. After you got your garlic minced up, you're going to take your shrimp and you're going to take the tails off the shrimp. So now that I have a pretty hot pan in, I'm going to put in my minced garlic. Once you get the garlic into the pan, if it's already been hot, you're going to start smelling a lot of that aroma. So this is really what's going to give the shrimp a lot of the flavor. It's going to be from the garlic. Also, don't be afraid to add some more olive oil. Olive oil is very good for your skin, and it's very high quality. It contains a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, so it's a great addition to your diet as well. After about 30 seconds, my garlic has browned pretty quickly, so I'm just going to throw in the shrimp. There's about 14 pieces here. You can use anywhere between 7 and 10, but 14 will be enough for 2 servings. Once you put your shrimp into the pan, cook them for about 2-3 minutes per side. I just seasoned my shrimp with some salt and pepper, and now I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder just to sprinkle the shrimp. After about 2-3 minutes, I'm going to flip over the shrimp. So once your shrimp is ready, it should look something a little bit like this. If it's not, it's fine, but it should look clear and cooked. I add some of the olive oil with the garlic and the spices into the pan, so this is going to be used as part of the pasta, and it's going to give a lot of flavor with the garlic and also some flavor from the spices as well. Alright, so once your oven reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 425 degrees Fahrenheit or any number in between, just put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes per side. Make sure your sausage is thoroughly cooked, and make sure to temp it with a thermometer, making sure it reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So after about 10-15 minutes, you're already going to have the sausages flipped 1 time. Right after I flip the sausage, I got about 3 to 5 liters of water. Ideally, you want about 5 liters of water to boil your pasta. So now that my water is reaching a boil, I'm going to add about half a package of pasta here. I just have some leftovers. This is about 1/4 of a package. So I'm going to throw that in. So once the noodles are boiling, I'm going to put it on medium-high heat, around 7 to 8 for 10 minutes. Okay, so now that you cooked your pasta and your sausage, now it's time to put everything together. So what I did here is I warmed up the same skillet, so I washed it after I was cooking the pasta and the sausage was cooking, so I cleaned this so it's a nice clean pan. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add some pasta. Now, it depends on how hungry you are. You can add a little bit or a lot, but I would recommend just put as much as you want to eat. I'm just putting about 1 to 2 cups here, so about half of what I cooked here. Now, after you added your pasta to the pan, you're just going to add some marinara sauce. Then I'm going to add the shrimp that we made earlier. You can also add some chorizo sausage. Last but not least, I'm going to add some fresh cut basil. And after you warmed everything on the pan, you can just put it into a plate and you're good to go. So at the end, you're going to have something like this. Now, I know this doesn't look like the prettiest looking dish. I kind of wish I just kind of put it all together, you know, with the pasta and the sauce. You can warm up the sauce, put the pasta on, then put the sauce on, the pasta, and then the shrimp and the chorizo. It's going to look a lot more presentable. I kind of mixed everything together, so it does look a little bit sloppy. But that's okay. You'll live and you'll learn. So that's the video, guys. I just hope you enjoyed the recipe. Now, one thing I would highly recommend you guys do with this recipe is to add a fresh garden salad. I will post a link below on how to make that. It's not up yet, but I will post a video on how to make a fresh garden salad to go with pasta. That way you have your main course and you're getting your vitamins and minerals through the salad. So it's really important to incorporate greens into every single one of your meals. You know, the protein and the carbs are important, but the thing that really makes this an acne-friendly meal is not only that it's gluten-free and dairy-free, but at the same time is that you're introducing nutrient-dense foods like the salad into the diet, as well as the shrimp and the olive oil and other ingredients like garlic and basil. That's going to help you be a healthier person. It's going to help you eat better. And at the end of the day, it's going to help you with your skin. And it's going to help clear up your skin, and it's going to help the appearance of your skin look better too. So remember, guys, acne isn't from the outside, it's from the inside out. So we're cooking using real whole food recipes so we can clear our skin out through the inside out. So tell me what you think of this recipe. Did you like it? What could improve? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So leave a comment below, subscribe if you want to see more recipes, and I'll see you guys on the other side.